Okay, so this is my Nelson style bench, which I started before Christmas. I've glued up the central part, as you can see. This is the bottom side of it. Here's the top. I think it's not too bad for my first go at lap joints. There's a few little gaps, but I can fill those up. These end ones are just clamped on just over the brake so it didn't lose its shape. So today I am going to glue up the rest of them, both on the left and right side, and then clamp it up, and then I get the exciting thing to do of making isosceles trapezoid legs. Okay, so this is a really exciting bit where I'm going to try and do the legs for the Nelson bench, which is sitting there all glued up, ready to go, or ready to be finished. But I've spent days overthinking what all the calculations are. So this is what I was doing when I should have been at work today. Well, no, I was at work, but trying to figure out what the pieces look like. So at this stage, I've only got the miter gauge that came with it, with my new table saw. So all the experts said put some blue tape on it, so that's what I've done. Right. Oh, you have to do that one the opposite. Ah, okay. So that's interesting. So that's why you do these things, you practice. So I knew that as well. I'd written that on the diagram here, that they go different ways. Yeah. So that is dumb, but it doesn't matter because I'm only playing around. So there we have it. So if I did another one that same size, which I will do, then, and I think that's going to work. I think. Let me see, that's shorter than that one. Oh no, damn. I've actually done it completely the wrong way around. These are supposed to be sitting like that. Oh, I'm such an idiot. Okay, I sort of don't actually need to do any more. I don't think I'll be doing this on my workbench. But I still don't know where that 90 odd degree thing comes in, because this is all 81.55. But that looks like it's going to work. Okay. So there is the base for the legs prototype, which is pretty cool. Okay, so I took one of these boards off a pallet. Look pretty scruffy. I checked them with my hand wandy metal detector thing, and I turned them into these, which is pretty good. I chopped the ends off where the nail holes were, like those ones. I chopped those off. You'll see I have a very sophisticated dust collection, or like collection system off my planer. But it works. I just need a little bit of sweeping up and I'm done. Okay, so I thought I was being really clever by doing these. This is the top to go immediately under the bench. I thought I was being really clever by doing them on top of each other, so I'd get the so they'd be exactly the same. But look at that. Because what I didn't realize was, I don't know, the blade angle is different. No, the angle's the same. But, so one of these fits nicely, which is this longer one, like this. And this one is short. And that is very annoying. Okay, so I've got the tops of the bench legs. I just cut them all. I did one and then just basically use that as a template. So that's all good. Okay, so this is quite interesting because and some plans that I've got online, and I'll put a link in the description. Then the legs are supposed to be 14.5 inches, I think. So what I thought I'd do is just clamp the top onto a straight edge. And then this is my trial sneak up on length that I'm just trying to use to determine the 14 or 15 inches, whatever it happens to be. So if I just do it in the middle, and knowing that this one isn't correct, but this is, I don't know, 480. Well, 500 is 19 inches, so I think that's too deep. So I reckon this is where the geometry comes in. I reckon it needs to be, I need to work it out. 12 inches is 300. Another 2 inches is another 50. So that's 350. Call it 360. If I do that, I am totally winging it here. So I might just mark it there.